Like the World Cup, every many years it comes round, when your mugshot is plastered all over the town. Well, we're no so daft, we even taken note that the only time we see ye is when you're looking our vote. Round the doors ye go, snake oil for sale. You can smile on demand, and you can tell a quartile. But your crocodile smile, it makes me buck. Your campaign promises are all mirrors and smoke. You're going to fix every problem and cure every ill. You'll sort them all out up in the hill. But you're nae different fae the other crowd. For if voting changed ocht, it wouldn't be allowed. But as long as your posters hae the right colour coordination, it'll no be long afore you're running the nation. For we only vote ye in to keep others out. That's really what our politics is all about. Ye stoke up our fear, for it's a great motivator, but it'll come back to bite ye sooner or later. Maybe this time our vote ye cannae buy. As the old folk say, ye'n spittin' twice shy. Soon we'll no believe a word ye say, the pledges ye make or the games ye play. Ye get twice the wage of the working man, expenses for buy, ye grab all that ye can. Knowing your sort, it comes as nae surprise that while the rest of you struggle, ye gie yoursel a pay rise. Like vampires ye suck the life fae the folk, for we're nae better off every promise ye broke. I dinna care about your numbers or big man date. That just means ye tricked the masses or filled them with hate. Listen carefully to this lesson I teach. It's time ye started practising what ye preach. If ye get voted in, then dinna forget to remember this rhyme and pay back your debt. For ye work for us, it's no the other way round, and another election will be coming soon. When this election's o'er and ye cried all your tears, sure we'll see ye again in another 4 years.